Hey, what's up folks, this is Shaheel. So, you have a TV, it has an HDMI port, it's not a smart TV, but then you want to access smart TV features like YouTube, Netflix and Prime, then this Mi Box 4K might be the right choice for you. So, this Mi Box 4K is pretty much a smart TV in a box, meaning it has all the conventional smart TV things. So, it has a processor, it has RAM, it has storage, it has an HDMI port, through which you take the feed to your TV, and that's how you receive all the smart TV feature. It's basically tricking your TV into thinking that it's a smart TV. And of course it's running on Android TV platform, meaning that you get all the Android TV features. You get Play Store, you get all the Play Store applications, you can run games, which I haven't tested out, but I guess it's gonna be smooth. And then it has all the Android TV features. Let's start from the beginning. Let's unbox this product. Basically, you get all the basics that you would need to run this product. You'll get the Mi Box 4K itself, you'll get an HDMI cable, you'll get a power cord, you'll get a remote control obviously, and then you'll get a user guide, which I don't know who is using in this age. And talking about the remote, it's rigid, and it's a Bluetooth remote and not an IR one, meaning that you don't have to point the remote at the box for it to work. You can just point it anywhere in the air and then it's still gonna work. So here are the specs of the TV. It has a 64-bit quad-core processor. You get 2 gigs of RAM and then 8 gigs storage, in which 5.5 GB is usable, and the rest is taken by Android TV OS and then some other applications which is pre-installed, which I'll be talking about in a moment. But then the main highlights are that this product can run 4K for $50. If you have a 4K TV and if you have HDR10 support in TV, it can optimize both of them. It can take control of both of them, and then you can see 4K HDR10 content. Now I don't know who has a TV which has 4K and then HDR10 but it's not a smart TV, but then for some reason if you have such a TV, this is the right product for you. Other specs include Bluetooth 4.2, Chromecast built-in support, Google Assistant, Android TV 9, and then the whole package for $50. The product itself is very lightweight and small and portable. It was a bit big than I thought it would be, but then it was way lighter than I thought it would be. It's just 148 grams. It's not even the weight of a smartphone. It's portable. If you have an HDMI cable, you can just walk into a hotel, you can connect it to the TV there and then you can enjoy content. But that's obviously post-COVID things. And other stuff on the box are I/O, which has a power port and an USB 2.0 port, an HDMI out port, and then it also has a digital audio out port, 3.5mm, but if you have an optical audio out cable, you can use that. It's DTS 2.0 plus supported and also Dolby Audio. The TV already comes with a few things which is necessary for the TV to be running, and that is obviously the Android TV OS. But then after that, it has YouTube, it has Netflix, it has Prime Video, Play Store built in, and then a lot of applications that you can download from Play Store. For example, I downloaded Spotify and Hotstar from Play Store. So now I'm going to be sharing my experience using this product for almost a week right now. I have some pretty good things to share with you. The first thing being that it has 4K support, meaning that if you have a 4K TV, YouTube can run 4K, Netflix can run HD because my plan currently is HD and not 4K, and then this can also run Prime Video on Full HD. It has native Chromecast support, meaning that you can cast any video from your phone to the TV. So if I'm watching a YouTube video right now, I can cast it to my TV so that I can continue watching the same content on the TV. That's pretty cool. It has casting support for all major apps like Netflix, Prime Video and Hotstar. I actually tried all 3 of them. Prime Video didn't work out so well, which I'll be talking more about in this video, and Netflix and Hotstar work pretty well. There is Google Assistant support, meaning that you can just ask Google whatever you want. The mic is on the remote, which is pretty convenient, but then this has some quirks with Google Assistant, like you can ask this weather, it would tell you that, check. Movies and TV shows, check. Weather for other days, check. Asking it complicated questions, crows. It doesn't necessarily sense that questions for some reason. Talking about remote, your phone can act as a remote, did you know that? By installing the Android TV app, which is on the Play Store for free, you can actually pair your TV with the phone via Bluetooth, and then your phone can act as just another Bluetooth remote for your TV. It's pretty convenient. And the other thing is that the pre-installed apps actually is working pretty well, except for Prime Video. Like I said, YouTube and Netflix works really well, and I'm glad that it does. But that doesn't mean that there are no quirks for this TV, right? There are quite some quirks for this TV, and let's see some of that. First thing, the Prime Video app is pretty slow, and Prime Video has been like that, and many Amazon apps have been like that for some reason. I don't know. Prime Video for me personally hasn't been great on this TV. It doesn't have profiles option, meaning that if you have multiple Prime Video users or multiple profiles using Prime Video, what you watch on this TV box is ultimately gonna go to one profile. And that's usually the default profile. You can't predict which profile it's gonna go to, but that's weird because we want to be able to choose profiles, right? Even in one home, multiple people could be using one TV box, which is usually going to be the case. I contacted Amazon customer support. They said that they have forwarded the issue to Amazon development team. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but let's hope that it gets fixed. But although if it does get fixed, I'll be putting a comment in the comment section down below so that you'll know at least it does. And another major problem with Prime Video is the casting option. So, like I said, casting is very smooth and convenient for other applications. Everything else except Prime Video. And I don't understand why, but I streamed Mr. Robot from my phone to the TV. Casting. But for some reason, it's keeping on buffering, and then each time it starts buffering, which is every 5 seconds, I'll have to skip a 10-second forward or backward for it to work. And then again, 5 seconds later, the same problem appears. But you see, these are not Xiaomi's issues, right? These are not the TV box's issue. These are ultimately Amazon's issue. If they had given support for it, it's probably going to be working. The second thing being your Wi-Fi connection. Now, be a bit skeptical about your Wi-Fi connection because at least you need a 5 MB connection. Now, if you don't have a 5 Mbps connection coming straight to the TV, I'm not talking about your plan, but the TV should be getting 5 Mbps of Wi-Fi. If it doesn't get that, at least it's not going to be working smoothly. It's going to have a lot of issues trying to stream some content. And you don't want that, and that's the main reason you buy this, right? For streaming content. So just make sure that you have at least like a 10 MB, 15 MB connection if you want to be streaming 4K. I recommend go for something like 30 because if your signal is slow, it's going to be slow anyway. So just be safe with your Wi-Fi connection. And then now let's talk about software updates. See, I'm a man who's new to the smart TV world. So I haven't experienced a smart TV before this. I have, but not as my personal device. So this is my first personal TV. I don't know if this is the case with every Android TV, but this came with Android TV 9, like I said in the beginning. But now at this point, literally, I guess Android TV 11 is out. This didn't even receive an Android 10 update. I don't know why that is the case, but this didn't have an Android 10 or an Android 11. I don't know if that's something I have to be looking for, like it's weird. Just comment down below if you know that, if you're already using a smart TV. But then again, that doesn't mess with the content that you're watching, right? I haven't even received a single warning saying that please update your operating system. This application cannot be running on Android 9. That didn't happen with this TV. I don't think that it's gonna happen for like next 5-6 years. I hope. But then still, you know, we have to just remember that this product is $50 and then it's pretty great for the price that it has. In short, if your TV has an HDMI port, it's not a smart TV, has at least 1080p, and if you want to stream content on the internet, go buy that. Go buy the product. It's a steal deal. You should buy it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure that you subscribe so that you'll get updated with every video that I post. And until we meet the next time, goodbye.